Hello children, class 10 students. Now, subject science, or we are taking a unit 1. This unit 1 is related to the sub branch, name is chemistry. Okay, so theme materials. Our theme is materials according to the recent reduced syllabus. Theme materials, and unit 1 chemical substances, nature and behavior. Okay, now fifth chapter we are taking up, and the chapter name is periodic classification of elements. Periodic classification of elements. Now according to the latest 2020-21 syllabus, last topic is given, name is gradation in properties. Okay, gradation in properties. So there are 4: valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic character. Okay children, so children, before starting this gradation in properties, first we would like to understand overview of periodic table. As we know, there are 18 rows. There are 18 rows, means like this. So these are rows are vertical rows like this. Suppose this is a marker, this marker standing is a vertical position. So like this you will see 18 rows in a periodic table. So they are known as groups. Okay, first row, first group, second row, third row and fourth row, and till to the 18. There are 18 groups, and this is a horizontal rows, right? The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, there are 7 horizontal rows known as periods. So children, there are 7 periods like this: left to right, top to bottom, left to right. Okay, so children, these are the periods, and this is a rows and known as a groups. Okay, the concept of group and period is clear now. Okay, so children, first we are taking what is a gradation in properties, or we will see periodic properties. Periodic properties or gradation in properties. This is okay. So we will take up, as per syllabus, 4 parameters. Number 1, valency. Second, atomic size. Third, metallic character and non-metallic character. Okay, 4 parameters we will take up. So we will take up one by one. So children, first we will understand कि in periodic table elements हैं. Okay, or in elements what is valence electron. So see this, these are vertical lines, okay, known as rows. Okay, groups, and this is a periods. Okay, and these are the groups. Okay, so children, so first we will understand, before starting this, what is periodicity. What do you mean by this periodicity? Periodicity का मतलब बहुत simple meaning है. The right means कुछ properties हैं after the definite interval of time. तो definite interval of time so similar in properties. उसकी property repeat होने लगती हैं, same होने लगती हैं. See कैसे? How's that? Suppose group 1, average move, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 18, and then we will come again group 1 in second period. तो क्या होता है? Like you can see here, lithium, sodium, potassium. तो ये elements है, ये groups में. तो इनकी properties जो है repeat है, same है. हम जा रहे हैं आगे, after definite interval of time फिर हम यहाँ आ गए. तो क्या होता है? They show similar in properties. ये जो सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, क्यों होती हैं? ड्यू टू सेम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन, सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन और सेम नंबर ऑफ बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, राइट, इन सेम ग्रुप. तो जो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पीरियडिसिटी. पीरियडिसिटी का मतलब ये है, सिंपल भाषा में, हम इस ग्रुप में थे, जा रहे हैं, फिर इस ग्रुप में आ गए. तो पहले एलिमेंट लिथियम है, फिर जा रहे हैं, फिर सोडियम, फिर एक डेफिनेट, फिर हम आ रहे हैं. तो क्या होता है? ये प्रॉपर्टीज सिमिलर हो जाती हैं. So this concept is known as periodicity. Now what are, okay, So in periodicity first property हम लेंगे valency. कि वैलेंसी क्या है। तो बच्चों वैलेंसी हम लोग कहते हैं कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। तो वैलेंसी और बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन को समझेंगे, ओके, वैलेंसी और बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन को समझेंगे। तो बच्चों फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी इन ग्रुप्स। ग्रुप्स में क्या होता है, बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन सी 1 2, दीज आर द बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 3 4 5 6 7 8। सो चिल्ड्रन दीज आर द बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन। 8 को आप हटा दीजिए, ठीक है। अगर बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 है तो बैलेंसी इसकी 1 होगी, बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 है, बैलेंसी 2 होगी, बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 3, देन द बैलेंसी इज 3, बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 4, बैलेंसी इज 4। तो वी आर सेइंग okay, so in a in right 5 6 7, so this is we are talking about in period. Now in a groups balance electron is 1, so the valency is 1. So children, down in a group valency remains same. Down in a group valency remains same. Why? Due to number of electrons are same. This is the one reason. So children, point is number 1 is clear, right? Valency remains same in group. Valency remains same in group. Why? Due to same number of valence electrons. Okay, due to same number of valence electron, valency is same. So this is the question number 1. Now second case is we see valency in periods or left to right across a period. So as we know, if valence electron 1 2 3, so children, if valence electron 2, so these two easily can lose electron. Okay, so 1 2 3 easily lose electron, 4 present to share electron, 5 6 gain of electron. So children, now valency across a period first increases till middle, then decreases. So valency 1, valency 2, valency 3, valency 4, valency 3, valency 2, valency 1. So children, this is a very clear concept regarding across a period. Valency electrons goes on increasing. Valency electron goes on increasing from left to right. Okay, so it is easier to lose 1 2 3 electron, 4 can share, 3 to 1 it may gain of electron. Yes, after valency we are taking up topic atomic size. Okay, so atomic size, so first we will understand it down in a group. Atomic size down in a group increases. Down in a group. Okay, atomic size down in a group increases. This is arrow I am pointing upward direction. It is meaning कि atomic size down in a group increases. Okay, why it is so? Because due to number of cells increases. Okay, if cells increasing, then distance also increases between nucleus and electron present in outermost cell, outer valence cell electron. Okay, so children, these are the 2 points कि why atomic size down in a group increases. The size increases due to number of cells increasing and distance is also increasing. Now same case we will in period. Okay, so atomic size decreases across a period. Okay, in periods, so in atomic size in period decreases. Okay, point. If last, so small size. Okay, suppose lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So this is a small in size. This lithium is larger in size. Okay, according to this trend. Now, why? Question arises why it is. So we will see कि left to right cells remain same. First reason, due to cells remain same, mean in same cell electron is increasing. Okay, so what would happen कि nuclear effective charge also increases. Nuclear effective charge also increases. Okay, and then force of attraction will increase. So size decrease. So these are the key point why atomic size decrease across a period. Okay, number one is cell is same, force of attraction increases, effective nuclear charge increases, force of attraction increases. Okay, so children, so this is the point. Now third property, we are going to take a metallic character. So same reason, in metallic character, see, metallic character, this trend is also very important. So third is metallic character. Children, top to bottom metallic character decreases, left to right, sorry, top to bottom metallic character increases, left to right decreases. Same. Why? You know why? So children, metallic character means element, they have tendency 1, 2, 3 electrons, they have tendency to lose electron. So this is the reason. Now we will first see in a group, metallic character in group, right? A metallic character in group, right? So tendency to lose electron means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Leave this. So cesium shows more metallic character, top to bottom. Why? Because yes, they have tendency to lose electron. These have tendency to lose one electron. Okay, so top to bottom. And one more very important point is here in a metallic character. See, so effective nuclear charge also decreases. Effective nuclear charge decreases from top to bottom. Okay, so children, cells are in, okay, so this is the point. Metallic character means tendency to lose electron. If out balance electron 1, 2, 3, or in a group, so top to bottom, and effective nuclear charge decreases, and for second reason, tendency to lose electron. So these are the main reason. एक tendency to lose electrons due to effective nuclear charge decreases. Okay, so point is this. Now in a periods, why? So this is a metallic character in periods decreases. Metallic character in periods, children, decreases. Why? So why metallic character decreases in periods? This is we have to understand. So children, as we all know, metallic character in period decreases due to increase nuclear effective charge. Nuclear effective charge, and the distance between electron and nucleus, electron outer valence shell electrons and nucleus is increasing. So this is the reason. Now last topic is non-metallic character. So children, non-metallic character means down in a group. Children, non-metallic character down in a group and left to right. So fourth character is also very important, that is non-metallic character. So non-metallic character, top to bottom, right? Down in a group, it is decreases. Okay, left to right, metallic character increases. So first we will take non-metallic character in groups. So non-metallic character decreases down the group because it has tendency to gain electron. Non-metallic means they have tendency to gain electron. Okay, so they have tendency to gain electron. So due to decrease in effective nuclear charge. So tendency to gain electron decrease due to decrease effective nuclear charge as atomic size increases. So same case is here. So down in a group, effective nuclear charge decrease and non-metallic character increases. This is the reason. Now next, non-metallic character left to right increases means left to right they have a same case. In left to right, non-metallic character increases means tendency to gain electron increases and effective nuclear charge increases. This is the reason. So children, these four properties are really very important: metallic character, non-metallic character, atomic size, and valence E. Okay, so please, these four, if you know these trends and concept, so you can solve related to the questions also. Okay, so next video we will study the problem based on the periodic trends. Thank you children. Yes. Okay.